let me just first to say that this has actually helped me a lot when it came to breathing. I'm the type of person that if I get sick, one of my nostrils are closed up, and the one is just, you can just breathe out really clearly, and it's very hard for me to breathe. And I'm the type, like, when I'm sick, sometimes I get very uncomfortable when I go to sleep, and I can't sleep due to me having like one nostril open and the other one is closed. But anyway, this is the Vicks Vaporub Cough Suppressant, and that just drains out everything. And then, you know, telling you, well, let me stop going so fast, okay, so what I've used this on, I actually use this like around my nose area so I can breathe better. I use it like around like my chest area because it was very congested, and I literally had a cough where it just sounds like a bulldog, a Rottweiler, a pit bull. Yeah, I have one of those coughs that it sounds dangerous. And one time I was so sick I couldn't even talk. Oh, imagine that. But okay, so like I said, you can use it on your chest and your throat. I actually put it around my nose area, and like I said, it helped. Like, even though it felt like one of my nostrils was still kind of clogged up, with this, it made it seem like I was able to breathe out of both of them instead of just one nostril. Like, I was able to really breathe in and breathe out, you know, instead of struggling trying to breathe out of one nostril or trying to breathe out of my mouth. And yeah, that. Anyway, you can use it on muscles and joints, which I did not know. I never did that before. Normally I put another product on if I had like pain going on my muscles, feel a little tight. But hey, I learned something new, so I should try that to see how it works. Another thing is that it does come in different sizes. Okay, so it comes in a 1.76 ounce. It then comes in a 3.53 ounce, which is the regular only, 100G, and then 6 ounce, 170G, and regular only. Okay, and what I mean by regular is that they have the regular scent, and then they have a lemon scent. And the 1.76 ounce comes in, I'm guessing it comes in a regular and lemon scent. But the 3.53 ounce comes in only the regular scent. So does the 6 ounce come in the regular scent as well. That's it. Okay, I like it. Honestly, like I said before, it works for me. And I'm seeing it says that the #1 selling branded children's cough cold product. Okay. And appropriate for ages 2 and up. So, got the little ones. Any younger than 2, yeah, not recommended. Don't even do it. Don't even try. Okay, and I'm going to open up the. So this is what it looks like. I will get a Q-tip so you can see the texture, of how this product is. It does have a strong, I would say it smells like a strong menthol smell, actually. It's not really thick, but I will dig in with the Q-tip so you can see more of what it looks like. Okay, so yeah, let me go ahead and put a Q-tip in there. First, whether you want to use your hand or use something else, but with me, when I'm sick, I don't care. I just rush through my fingers and put it on my nose and my chest so I can start feeling better, because it ain't worth it, One nostril breathing and whatnot. Oh no. But this is what it looks like. Just showing you, the texture and everything. Depending on where you at and where you store this product, it could be solid or it could melt. If you're near a hot room, or somewhere that's got a lot of heat going on, this definitely will turn into liquid. And the reason why I'm saying that is because I feel like this is kind of the same type of texture and not necessarily the ingredients, but something similar to it with Vaseline. You leave Vaseline out in the hot heat, what's it going to do? It's going to turn into liquid. So I'm pretty sure that this is going to be the same way. I would guess that this is pretty much cold right now, since where I'm at is cold. You make sure you want to store it like in a good temperature room, not where it's too hot, you know. But yeah, got a cold, got someone that you know got a cold, try using this Vicks Vaporub cough suppressant. There we go. Yeah. And like I said before, the smaller jar comes in, I believe, regular or lemon, but anything the size or bigger. Wait, which one is this one? The 1.76? So this one comes in this scent and lemon, but anything bigger, it just comes in the regular. Alright? Got it? Good.